guys, PJ here today with a quick tips video. This is going to be a really short one, and what this is, if you own a Ford Fiesta, this is a 2014 model for example, and you have this kind of plug on it and you're trying to fit a sub and amp to your original factory fitted head unit, more than likely you bought yourself a little RCA converter. Now I do have a separate video which I will link at the end of this video showing you how to wire these in sort of universally to most cars, but you buy these things and basically it's got a phono on one end, speaker wires on the other, and you're meant to connect the speaker wires obviously to the speaker wires coming out the back of your radio. So on a Ford Fiesta, and this is specifically to this car, it's just a quick one, I'm telling you what colours are rear speaker outputs. Okay, so there we go, we've got brown and blue, and brown and white there is your positive and negative for the rear right, and we've got brown and yellow, and white and green is a positive and negative for the rear left. Now if you want to test all the colours yourself, I do show this in the other video, but I'll show you again quickly now. Get yourself a little battery, yeah, plus and minus lot, and basically what you got to do, which is really tricky to do on camera guys, so bear with me, is touch the wire on one end, yeah, so there's one wire going to minus, and then touch the other wire on the other end. Can you hear that? Basically as the wire touches it makes a crackling noise, so you can identify which wires go to which speaker. Like I say, I have got a full video on this, I'll link at the end. This is specifically for Fiesta owners that want to put a sub and amp with their original factory radio. So that's how you wire in this. Yeah, the other ones, the grey ones here, are going to go to the other one just there. There's bullet connectors on the end so that we can plug in the original speaker wires back in. Yeah, so we're going to connect those to keep your all four speakers running on the car, as well as providing the feed for your phonos for your sub and amp. As for the remote cable, you're going to need to take that from the auxiliary fuse in the fuse box. I'll link another video that actually shows you how to do that wiring a dash cam, but it's the same thing, you just use the same power feed. So I'll put two videos at the end of this video showing you details on these things and details on a switched live. And that's it, really quick video today guys. Thanks for watching, bye for now.